Right? Axios.get. Inside this axios.get, I want users data which is stored in the database, that is called as get request. I'm going to get this API. So now inside this, I'm going to pass this API. So now whatever we are doing, this is an asynchronous operation, which means that it is non-blocking. JavaScript will see that, okay, this code is going to take some time. I'm not going to wait here. I will move ahead and execute rest of the code. Now, if I put this inside console.log, notice here I got a promise object, and currently our promise is in the pending state. What is a promise? Promise is an object which tells you that asynchronous operation will be completed later. Initially, it is going to be in the pending state. Later, it will be converted to fulfilled or rejected. Suppose when you have ordered food from Swiggy, it is a promise from their side that they will deliver you food. So now the delivery guy is going to the restaurant. The restaurant is preparing your order. The delivery guy is moving. So it means that your promise is currently in the pending state only. Once the delivery guy has delivered food to you, it means that the promise is fulfilled. And if the food did not reach to you due to some issue, then you can tell that the promise is rejected. If the promise is fulfilled, we handle it using dot then, and inside the dot then we need to pass a function. Whenever you're passing a function as an argument, it is called as a callback function. So now here we are going to get that response. If you look at this, here inside this res.data, we are getting all the users. If the promise is rejected here, basically we handle the rejection using dot catch. Here I'm going to get error. It is just printing this error for me.